What is up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Tech Boss, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the new PUBG Mobile Beta APK, and I'm going to be showing you guys the new Ultra HD graphics. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. Alright, so guys, before we get started, please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I hope you've subscribed. Now that you've done that, what you need to do is actually just download the APK. I'll be linking it down in the description, and this is it, and this is what it's called, and it's 1.5 gigabytes, and just install it on your phone normally. And now once that's done, just open the APK, and it's just at least they've improved the resolution of the startup screen, so that's great. I'll also turn on do not disturb, and as you can see, this menu looks familiar. This part, I mean, this is beta, so this could change. Most likely it won't, because the release is after about 4 days, 6 days, 7 days if I remember correctly. But yeah, let's see. This part is normal, and you won't be able to log in with your main account. You'll only be able to use a guest account, so it's just for fun and experiment right now. So if you just want to give it a try, you can. And as you can see, this is my Redmi K20 Pro. I'm actually running a custom ROM, so that's fine. But we're gonna go here, and I'm gonna show you guys. So as you can see, this has totally changed. You can swipe around. The swiping is a bit buggy, so if that doesn't work, just press here. I think there's something wrong with my internet, but let's see, it's fine, hopefully. Yeah, so actually I'm recording also in 60 fps. Oh, as you can see, there's this bug. So yeah, don't expect this to be perfect yet. So the main highlight is that you can now play Ultra HD, obviously depending on your device, but on Redmi K20 Pro and probably any other Snapdragon 855 device. I don't know about 845, but you can just give it a try because just 1.5 gigabytes. And as you can see on Ultra HD, it's Ultra. The maximum frame rate is Ultra, and that's the same for Snapdragon 865 devices. So they might update and bring the Extreme. Most probably they won't, because these are pretty high graphics. So HDR, it gives you until Extreme, but now if you switch over to Ultra HD, it's only going to allow you till ultra frame rate, which is I think 40 fps. And here, if you turn on water reflection, which I don't recommend you to, because it disables this, and with this thing disabled, the game looks a bit ugly because there are jagged edges and shit. And other than that, that is basically it. If I click OK here, and let's click OK, and the rest of the menu is pretty much like it used to be, just they've changed the layout and the colors and stuff of the toggles, and this is all here. And now let's see how we can change a map. So if we go here, and this allows us to, I think, change the map here, and this menu looks pretty much similar to the previous one. So I'm going to play Erangel. The game modes and all are here, so I'm playing at 40 fps and I'm recording at 60, so it might look a bit weird because it's not going to be smooth. So if you want to play competitively, it's still recommended to use the Extreme preset on any of the frame rates. So let's see how this goes. And this is the inventory menu, I guess, and you can go here as well. So yeah, the game is obviously a bit buggy still because it's beta, as I said. Also, let me bring up the volume a little bit so you guys don't have problems hearing this. And yeah, it's not going to be the best or the smoothest experience, at least on Redmi K20 Pro, and obviously you won't have 90 fps. And as you can see, I'll put a comparison screenshot of showing, I guess, this part, oops, on Ultra HD and HD. So let's quickly switch to, let's actually, because I moved a little. So, and I'm also going to start screen recording actually, so that might have impact on my game, and probably will, but anyway, I'm going to record. So yeah, as you can see, it looks pretty good. I mean, you need to actually see it in person. I'm not going to follow anyone, and I'm going to mute. Alright, so guys, as you can see, the graphics are pretty good, and I'm going to actually go a bit closer to the trees. So let's see, and the details are pretty good. So it's running actually at full HD now. Before, I guess it was a bit over 1080p, I think, but yeah. And I'm sorry for the background noise because this is not my actual setup, but I just wanted to make this video for you guys because I need this to be out as soon as possible. But yeah, it's just more realistic and just a higher resolution than before. I'll try to see if I can use GFX tool to trick 60 FPS. Probably not because it's not updated yet. But that is basically about it. If you have any questions, do leave them down in the description. Now let me show you guys a bit more of the lobby. Alright, so actually now let me bring it back to 60 FPS because it's gonna look better for you guys. So HDR and extreme. Okay, now it's really smooth. But yeah, I mean, that is basically about it. So let's see what else is here. So spotlight looks like it's still a bit broken because it doesn't show up stuff here. If it doesn't work, just press on the top, and as you can see, it is actually pretty good. So yeah, this is what you should be expecting on 8th September. But yeah, that is basically about it. If you have any questions, leave them down in the description or contact me on my Telegram group, which is also linked down in the description. But anyway, that's for this video. This is Fozal Hamid from Mr. Tech Boss, signing off.